Hey guys, today we have DC Super Friends Batman Imaginext Batboat. It's a really cool toy. I already detached the Batman, so he comes right off. Check out the Batman. He's got a nice little cape. He's in blue, so he matches the boat. You don't often see Batman in a blue suit. That's pretty cool. I put Joker next to him. Let's check out the boat. The boat's really cool. It's got a fin, a fan that moves when you roll it. That's the back. Here's the wheels here. So your boat can also go on land. And the best part about this boat is when you put Batman inside. I'll show you, he has little feet rests here. You put Batman in, put his hands on the levers. When you push him down, watch what pops up. Missiles. So let's go ahead and see if we can fire those missiles at Joker. So you push the little yellow button here and watch the missiles. Let's try that again. Hey Joker, check out my new boat. Oh, very nice. Look what it can do. Get up, Joker. I got another one for you. Right here. Let's see if it works in water. I'll bring Joker too, so we have someone to shoot at. So here's a Batman boat. Let's see if it's gonna float in the water. And it sinks! What kind of boat doesn't float in the water? I guess it's meant for the ground. That's why the wheels has some wheels. Look at that. The water pours out. So that is not made for bath. We can try anyways. Put Joker on the surfboard. Let's check the wheels, the missiles. Hey Joker, I know you took my last cookie. Here's what you get. Liquid fire. Enjoy your bath, Joker. Joker's back for more. Hey Joker, how about a nice drink of water? I hear that you're thirsty. Oh no, it didn't work. I have no missiles left. Well, how about this? That's right. This is my path. And I have a message for you. If you liked the video, please press that little thumb over there that says you like it. And don't forget to subscribe.